This is a new 2014 Ford C-Max Hybrid. Powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, digital audio input, aluminum rims, dual temperature control, automatic climate control, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Gorno Brothers Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 22025 Allen Road, Woodhaven, Michigan 48183.